Donald John Trump is one of the most polarizing and influential figures in modern history. Born into wealth, he built a real estate empire, became a household name through television, and later reshaped global politics as the 45th President of the United States. His journey from a young boy in Queens, New York, to one of the most powerful positions in the world is a story of ambition, controversy, and resilience. Donald Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York, the fourth of five children to Fred and Mary Trump. Fred Trump was a successful real estate developer who specialized in middle income housing in Brooklyn and Queens. Donald's early years were marked by a competitive spirit and a streak of rebelliousness. To discipline him, his parents enrolled him in the New York Military Academy at age 13. This environment channeled his energy and taught him leadership skills. After high school, he attended Fordham University for 2 years before transferring to the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, where he graduated with a degree in economics in 1968. After college, Donald joined his father's real estate business, the Trump Organization. His early work involved managing the company's rental housing projects in Brooklyn and Queens. However, Donald had bigger ambitions. He wanted to make a name for himself in Manhattan, the heart of New York City. In 1976, he made a bold move by purchasing the Commodore Hotel, a struggling property near Grand Central Terminal. Through a partnership with the Hyatt Corporation and innovative tax breaks, Trump transformed the hotel into the Grand Hyatt, a symbol of his rise in the real estate world. Over the next 2 decades, Trump developed iconic properties like Trump Tower on Fifth Avenue, casinos in Atlantic City, and luxury golf courses. Trump Tower, completed in 1983, became a symbol of his brand, opulent, bold, and larger than life. The 1990s were a turbulent time for Donald Trump. His aggressive expansion into Atlantic City's casino industry backfired, leaving him with massive debts. Several of his businesses, including the Trump Taj Mahal, declared bankruptcy. However, Trump proved to be a master of survival. Through renegotiations with creditors and media-savvy branding, he managed to rebuild his fortune. By the early 2000s, he was back on top, capitalizing on licensing deals and his growing celebrity status. In 2004, Donald Trump became a cultural icon with the launch of The Apprentice, a reality TV show where contestants competed for a chance to run one of his companies. The show was a massive success, making "You're fired" one of the most famous catchphrases in television history. The show not only boosted his personal brand, but also introduced him to a new generation of fans. Trump leveraged his fame to market products from bottled water to neckties, further solidifying his image as a savvy businessman. Although Trump had flirted with politics in the past, including a brief run for the Reform Party nomination in 2000, it wasn't until 2015 that he launched a serious presidential campaign. Running as a Republican, he announced his candidacy with a speech that emphasized immigration reform and an America First policy. Despite widespread skepticism and opposition from the political establishment, Trump won the Republican nomination and, in November 2016, defeated Democratic candidate Hillary Clinton in a shocking upset to become the 45th President of the United States. Trump's presidency was marked by bold policies and significant controversies. His administration focused on reducing taxes, appointing conservative judges, renegotiating trade deals, and strengthening border security. He fulfilled campaign promises such as moving the U.S. Embassy in Israel to Jerusalem and withdrawing from the Paris Climate Agreement. However, his leadership style often sparked division. He faced 2 impeachment trials, first for alleged abuse of power in dealings with Ukraine, and later for incitement of the January 6th Capitol riots. He was acquitted both times by the Senate. Despite these challenges, Trump maintained a loyal base of supporters who admired his straightforwardness and commitment to shaking up the political system. After leaving office in January 2021, Trump returned to his private life but remained a dominant figure in American politics. He continued to hold rallies and influence the Republican Party, hinting at potential future campaigns. Trump's legacy is complex. Supporters see him as a champion of American values and a disruptor of the status quo, while critics view him as divisive and controversial. Regardless of opinion, his impact on business, media, and politics is undeniable. Vocabulary segment: ambition, a strong desire to achieve something. Rebelliousness, a tendency to resist authority or control. Iconic, widely recognized and well established. Innovative, introducing new ideas or methods. Turbulent, characterized by conflict or disorder. Celebrity, flirted, to show interest in something casually. Skepticism, doubt as to the truth of something. Establishment, the dominant groups in society or politics. Controversy, disagreement or public debate. Impeachment, the process of charging a public official with misconduct. Loyal, faithful, and supportive. Disruptor, someone or something that causes significant change. Legacy, something handed down from the past. Donald Trump's journey is a testament to the power of ambition and resilience. Love him or hate him, his story provides valuable lessons for anyone striving to leave their mark on the world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories to improve your English skills. Let me know if you'd like to add more details, visuals, or specific segments to enhance the story.